Aww.
Everybody's smelling.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You are guys. I think this is better.
Are we supposed to be dignified or?
We already remember the Chinese restaurant. I mean, the Ibashi.
I think this space might not be.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. It's so nice to be here again. Today is Wednesday and I just came back from a buffet. Guys, before going, you guys should have seen the video already. Before going for that buffet, guys, I decided I was not going to eat anything. I did not eat anything and I knew that if you want to go to a buffet and enjoy yourself, don't take sugar, don't take any form of like, don't take drinks, just water. So I requested for lemonade, but I took that at the, when I finished, when I knew that, oh yes, I have finished eating what I really, 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 really wanted to eat. So that was when I took the drink. So it's just a secret. In case you are going for a buffet, they will offer you a drink. Our advice, don't take that drink. You can just take water so that you can eat as much as you can. So, guys, I had fun. I enjoyed myself. I had the one I could eat. This is not my first, second time of being to that particular place. So, been there before. I went with some friends, and also I've also, me and my husband, we've actually been there. So I already knew like the food I like and the one I don't like. So I just went for the ones that I know that okay, I can eat. So but guys, it was fun. We had fun. There was also an exchange of gifts. It was really, really, like, I love the way it was organized, where someone will give you a gift and you won't know the person, so they just call it a secret Santa. you know Classes has ended, but I still have some couple of papers to turn in. And guys, I'm just so grateful to God for how far He has been faithful and for how far He has helped me, because I'm just trying to look at how this journey started. It started with a lot of how will I do it? How will I cope? I'm really grateful to God. Like, thank God for strength, thank God for wisdom. I'm really, 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 really grateful. So guys, I just wanted to check in with you guys, like, and hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. And if you're watching this video for the first time, my name is Olamide Ajayi. Please subscribe to the channel, join the family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching. For those that comment, thank you so much for your comment, and it encouraged me. Thank you so much. And please, for those that don't comment, don't just watch my blog. Like, comment, abba, comment, share. Okay, share. And this might be the end of this vlog, and I hope to enjoy this vlog. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.